Hi friend, welcome my channel Digital Remote Sensing. Today my topic how to dim digital elevation model data to contour generation. Open the Arcgis 10.3 software. Add data. Add dim data. This is the dim data, and this data there is the marks by extract by marks. So catalog, new shape file, dim polygon, edit. There is the input, same coordinate system, WGA, GCS, WGS 84, and OK. There is the edit or start editing, dim. There is this triple and triple and go to Arch catalog, special analysis tool to extract by mask, input raster. This is this mosaic main image, dim image, input subset and output name and OK. Extract by mask complete. So this is this extract by mask, and next step there is the dim to how to contour generation. So special analysis tool to surface and contour. Input extract by marks data. Output name, there is the output name, and contour interval there is the 50. OK. So complete the marks by extract and uncheck this shape. This is this extract by marks data. Next step there is the contour generation. This analysis tool to surface and contour. Input raster, there is the extract image, and output location and contour interval 50. The interval or distance between the two lines, there is this contour interval and OK. There, complete this run and close this step. There is contour and change this contour color and OK. Right click this contour, open the attribute table. There is this contour interval, ID, and etc. etc. Next step, there is this right click on this contour and go to the properties. There is label to labels class of features and label each class differently. Label field, there is this contour and 12 and color red bold. Apply. There is this contour interval of this map. So there is this contour generation, there is a dim image. Another way, there is this contour generation. There is this space analysis tool to surface to contour generation, and next process there is a 3D analysis tool to raster surface and contour. There is the same way and same process. Input extract by mass data and contour interval 60 and OK. There is this contour. So complete this contour generation of dim image. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel